was shocked to learn that 11.6 million businesses in the United States are owned by women. 5.4 are women of color. I'm amongst that statistic. 100 years ago, we couldn't even vote. Now we're owning, running, changing the trajectory of businesses in the culture today. On one side, 11.6 million is a big number, but we're only now employing 9 million people. That means a lot of women-owned businesses are sole proprietorships. We need to now expand and grow businesses because people do not invest in people, they invest in businesses. We're entrepreneurs in our own space, but we're not growing the company enough that it's going to leave a legacy for the future generations to come. That's the entire point of growing wealth through real estate and business. The way I am helping women to change these statistics is through Fiscally Fabulous. Fiscally Fabulous is a women-owned movement. We want women to be a part of this movement and create wealth and businesses on their own terms so that we now have a footprint and a say in what goes on in the creation of wealth in this country. We can't form the foundation of legacy until we look at the children. So we created Kidpreneur. What are you as a parent doing to create success for your children? They now have creative ideas. They now have businesses birthed inside them. We can now take the business ownership model and now create legacy and teaching principles to our children. And we do that through finance, math, career development, and also leadership skills, teaching our children how to leave this country better than when they came into it. So by engaging the women, we're actually setting up the CEOs, and now we're training the little CEOs to take over when mommy no longer can do that. When you ask my granddaughter what she wants to be when she grows up, she tells you an entrepreneur. You ask my granddaughter what is ROI, she'll tell you return on investment. I birthed her into thinking about commission, not allowance. Nothing is given to you. You have to earn everything that you put in this footprint. One of the ways we make it possible for women to start businesses or create additional cash flow is through real estate. Real estate is a perfect wealth building tool to help you create and generate wealth. And we do that through investment clubs. Most people say, I need all this money to start getting into real estate. It's not true. Through an investment club, you come together collectively with a group of individuals, like-minded individuals. You pull your monies together, something small like $5,000, $10,000, and then you actually now direct where you want your investments to go, in what market, what real estate market, and things of that sort.